I tried HumanMicrobesorg review app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people get this wrong. They assume microbiome tracking apps are too technical or irrelevant for daily health. I spent a week exploring HumanMicrobesorg to see if it actually provides meaningful insights. On day 1, I set up my profile and input health data. The app offers microbiome analysis, personalized diet recommendations, and educational resources. Most people skip the science behind the data, but understanding it is key to making practical lifestyle changes. By day 3, I explored microbiome trends. You won't believe what happens next. The app identified patterns in gut health linked to energy, sleep, and digestion. The surprising truth is that small daily adjustments can have a measurable impact when guided by microbiome insights. By day 5, I tested suggested dietary changes. Most people get this wrong by assuming generic health advice is enough, but tailored recommendations based on microbiome data produce noticeable improvements in digestion and energy levels. Day 7 confirmed my final verdict. HumanMicrobesorg review app is more than a tracking tool, it's a personalized wellness assistant. Most people underestimate its potential, thinking microbiome science is too complex, but the app translates research into actionable steps anyone can follow. If you want to improve gut health and overall well-being, this app is worth exploring. The shocking truth: microbiome insights can actually guide daily choices that make a real difference in your health.